Vanakkam. Hi, how are you all? This is Sudha. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful crochet flower. Let's begin. For this project, I use 3.5 mm crochet needle. I make 75 chains. Here it is. Now I'm going to make half double crochet. Wrap the yarn and pull through all on each chain stitches. This is the last stitch. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Turn the work and make a single crochet on the next stitch. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make a single crochet on next stitch. Continue this for 30 stitches. I have completed 30 stitches. Now I am going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains and make a single crochet on the next stitch. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains and make one single crochet on the next stitch. Continue this for next 20 stitches. Now 50 stitches completed. Now I am going to change the color into green and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 chains and make a single crochet on the next stitch. Oops. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 chains and make a single crochet on the next stitch. Continue this until the end. Here it is. The work is finished. Now we will go for assembling this. Okay, apply the glue on the stick and keep assembling this beautiful flower. Thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you all on next video. Nandri, vanakkam.